everyone, and welcome. I'm Margot, and this is the RentalTrader YouTube channel where we cover all the ins and outs of the vacation rental industry. If you're ready to get ahead of the competition, fill your calendar with bookings, and maximize your revenue, then you, my friend, are in the right place. Today, we'll talk about whether you need to tip your vacation rental housekeepers. Now, we're gonna cover this topic from both the hosts and the guests' perspectives, so make sure you stay tuned. Let me just start off by saying that cleaning very well between vacation rental guests is absolutely essential. Imagine how you would feel if you booked a stay at a rental property only to arrive and discover that the previous guest's leftovers are in the fridge, there's crumbs all over the kitchen, and there's a pile of dirty towels in the bathroom. Oh, gross, right? That wouldn't exactly start your vacation with relaxation, and it wouldn't bode well for the review you'd leave afterward. Can somebody say 1 star? Yeesh. A dirty property isn't just annoying though. There are cases when it can even be hazardous. Cleanliness is key for vacation rental safety and success, and it's part of the reviewing system on nearly all listing platforms. Sometimes the vacation rental host themselves cleans between stays. This job involves washing all the linens and towels, cleaning each room from top to bottom, and refilling toiletries and amenities. Most of the time though, hosts choose to outsource this task by hiring an individual or a cleaning agency to come on in and make sure that everything is totally spick and span. When we think about tipping etiquette, we generally think of jobs that pay less than minimum wage. So consider waitstaff, for example. Have you ever gone out to lunch with someone that didn't leave a tip and you found yourself silently judging them? Me too. Well, in the US restaurant industry, it is a huge faux pas not to leave a tip. But this concept actually doesn't apply to vacation rental housekeepers. The majority of hosts pay their housekeepers a living wage, so it's not necessary to leave them an extra tip. In fact, Airbnb has a living wage pledge that requires hosts to pay self-employed cleaners $25 an hour and agency-employed cleaners $15 an hour. Even if you list your property on platforms other than Airbnb and aren't held to that living wage pledge, paying your cleaning crew a living wage is an excellent thing to do. It enables your cleaners to support themselves and their families and consistently provide high quality work. Even though tipping is not required, there are some things you can do as a host to sweeten the deal for your housekeepers. For one, you could give them a holiday bonus, or you can offer incentives for reviews that praise your property's cleanliness. But what about the guests? Do they need to tip the housekeepers? Well, generally, the answer is no. When you book a stay at a vacation rental, there's usually a cleaning fee tacked onto the total. Now, as annoying as it can be to pay an unanticipated fee, knowing that it goes toward paying the housekeeper a living wage is always a nice feeling. Of course, if you'd like to leave a tip anyway, then go ahead and feel free, but usually the absolute best thing you can do to express your gratitude is to praise the vacation rental's cleanliness in your review. This shows the host that their housekeepers are doing an amazing job, and it'll also help out the host's business. Tons of people really value cleanliness when looking for a place to stay, so they keep their eyes peeled for properties that have received reviews that mention just how pristine the place is. So if you leave a good review, then you can help the host win over more potential guests. Here at RentalTrader, we really care about the cleanliness of our host properties, and we also care about our hosts. That's why we only charge a flat fee of 4.5% per booking. That's it, while other sites charge 14% or more. So list your property on RentalTrader today and join the revolution as we take back the industry and keep travel affordable. It's quick, easy, and free to list your properties, so just go to rentaltrader.com right now and get started. If you found this video helpful, then do not forget to hit that thumbs up button and share it with your friends and your fellow hosts. It would really mean a lot to us. Also, be sure to subscribe and click that bell icon to be notified every time we share some more helpful tidbits, tips, and tricks. Until next time, stay safe, stay positive, and say yes to adventure. See you soon.